Guys, it's always a blessing when you can get out in nature. I'm telling you, being cooped up in those buildings and in your homes diminishes your oxygen supply from the earth. Only out here in nature can you find the freshest air. Yahweh instructed his children to be fruitful, multiply, and subdue the earth. So the goal of Satan is to keep them from being fruitful, multiplying, and subduing the earth. And since Satan is the ruler of this world today, that is exactly what he's doing. Do you remember when we used to bathe in the ocean, the lakes, and the ponds? We never needed soap. We used the dirt or the sand to exfoliate our skin, and the salt water helped to remove all the bacteria that formed on our bodies. This kept us connected to nature, where we came from. We are from the earth, and Satan wants to disconnect us from the earth. So he takes us out of our environment, put us in tubs where he controls the water that we bathe in. He controls the water that we drink to keep us disconnected from nature. The best water is out in nature. Well water, spring water, but he gives us purified water, water that he has made for us. This earth nourishes us, keeps us healthy, where we find our medicine. Satan wants to control all of that. He wants to be your doctor. When Yahweh say that your medicine is out in nature, he ain't lying. Dr. Sebi healed many from nature, and you can't hardly find a video of Dr. Sebi today. They want that to be a secret. You probably ain't gonna see this video that long. They want to keep you out of nature. This is why you work so many hours a day, go home and have to work some more. You ain't got no time to be out here. Totally disconnecting us from nature, from ourselves. This earth is us. Yahweh created us from the earth. Our skin stayed beautiful when we were bathing in the ocean. I'll give you a scriptural example. 2 Kings chapter 5. You will learn about Naaman. He was a captain under a Syrian king who developed leprosy. The king wanted to heal him, so he sent Naaman to Israel. There was a prophet there by the name of Elijah. Elijah told Naaman to go bathe in the river Jordan 7 times, and he would be healed. Naaman was insulted that Elijah didn't come out to tell him that. He sent a messenger. Leprosy is contagious, but his servant talked him into doing it. So Naaman did what Elijah told him to do. Guess what? His skin came back to him, and it was just like baby skin. Nature keeps our skin looking beautiful, because many of those soaps that we use today are toxic to our skin. What can you do about it? He took you out of the lakes and rivers, gave you a tub and a shower. How can you get back to nature? I'll tell you one way you can. I buy 20-pound bags of natural sea salt. I use this sea salt on my skin. Natural sea salt. I bathe in it. I exfoliate with it every other day. And at one point, I was not washing my hair with it. I wasn't using it on my hair, and the spirit told me, why aren't you using it on your hair? I tried it. Oh my God. My scalp feels so freaking clean. And you know what it doesn't do? It doesn't strip my hair of its natural oils. Oh my God. I do not buy shampoo or conditioner anymore. I use salt for everything. Probiotic. It's not a probiotic, but it will pull out that bacteria that is formed in your gut that's bad for you. That's what salt do. That's why many wash their food in it, to strip the bacteria from it. But that's one way you can connect back to the earth. Get you some natural sea salt. Salt is from the earth. I use natural sea salt for douching. Yes, it is the same pH as our vagina. All it takes is a little bit, not a lot. So I am encouraging you all to get out in nature. This is the playground that Yahweh created for us to enjoy. This is our home, not those houses that you like laying up in. That's your prison cell. You just don't know it. Satan doing his best to keep you from connecting to this earth, from being out in nature, the best place to communicate with your creator, Yahweh. Thanks for spending some time with me. At least you can see a little bit of nature through me. Anywho, y'all have a blessed day. And thanks for subscribing to my channel.